Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here with my 31 days of scrapbooking in December, where I make a scrapbook layout each day throughout the month of December. Today is day number 4 and I am working on a page map sketch. Sorry. And I'll have it posted here in just a minute before I go show you what I completed. So this one has 2 pieces of paper, the Felicity Jane red and then this Cartabella with the star pattern, and then on the back of it is this red and green pattern. I plan to use both on this. As you can see here, this one has solid as a background and then a pattern paper here, but then behind the photos it has a separate matting. And I know I've told you guys since I've been going along, I'm following fairly closely to the sketch. It is my starting off point. I don't necessarily follow it 100%, but I do keep it in mind and keep working through to mimic that. So these are the things that I've pulled out. Of course, I have my photos. I have several embellishments that I had previously made over the years for different cards or layouts or whatever. I have things that I have, these flowers that I have previously die cut out, tags that I have previously cut out from leftover cardstocks. I have pulled in a Felicity Jane tag from the 3x4 card from the grab bag that I bought for Christmas, and a tag from this month's for Christmas, their Felicity Jane Christmas 2020. That is something that I had previously punched out with scraps, and then that is something I had previously punched out with scraps, and then these are things that are sticker back that are from the different packages that I have added in. I've added a flare, a couple of bows, the title gift, the little Christmas tree, and then the little snow globe. Let's see if I can get that closer so you can see it. It is so stinking cute. It's got a little fox with the purple and pink Christmas tree, and I love it because my granddaughter's clothes are, her PJs are blue with purple and pink, and yeah, Monster High colors, right? That's what she wanted for Christmas that year, was Monster High PJs, and I swear she wore those till she was like, I don't know, maybe 15 or so. Sorry, I had to answer the front door. So anyway, this is where I'm starting. I do have other embellishments to pull in still. I have lots of ephemera packs that are partially used or new. I have sequins, I have washi tape, I have tons of stuff to pull in. So give me a second, I'll show you the sketch up close in case you want to pause the video so that you can see the sketch, or use the sketch to create your own layout. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I'm done. Layout 4 is complete. I did not use everything that I pulled out, but I used quite a few things. So I have my flare, a bow, and that little embellishment that I changed up a little bit. I added that one circle back behind. That one just to give it a little break from the background. It just looked too big around here, so I changed it up and then didn't end up using it. And I still have the pocket page card as well I did not use. But everything else I used, as well as some additional things. So, reminder of the sketch, and here is the layout done. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I used the back side of that paper, this paper, this Cartabella paper. So the front side I used here, and then I cut a piece for here and a piece for here, and then I ended up using some washi tape as well. Down in this cluster, I used a red tag as sort of a shadow for this other tag. I used a Christmas tree, I used a flower, and I backed it with just some craft cardstock. And I sprinkled around some little gold sequins. This I added the round gold circle, and then I put the flower there, also backed with some craft cardstock, and put the little deer head, and then I sprinkled some green sequins there. And you can, it looks like white dots in the center now because the glue hasn't dried. Here Same thing. I put my tags here like I had them originally in the inspiration. Put my flower here, again backed with craft cardstock and surrounded with gold sequins. I used the little snow globe right there and used one of the bows here and just pulled out a little star circle from one of the embellishment sets and put there, and then put the title here, gift. And that's my granddaughter's coveted Nerf gun that she wanted for Christmas that year. So, yeah, I feel like this one came together really well. And I do have some powder. When I put this, I also added this rickrack down at the bottom. And I put a bead of glue, and of course, you know, it comes out everywhere. So I used a piece of washi tape to peel up a lot of it, to pick up the bulk of it. And then I sprinkled it with glue, with powder after it was all done. This EK tools, and this is my original tool. I've not added any powder in. It's still full. So I used that and put across that. So it's got a white shade to it now, which will wear off over time. But it keeps the glue that squished out from being super sticky. Now, sometimes I will go back around these sequins and do the same thing if the glue oozes out too much. Anywho, this is it for day 4. I will have close-ups at the end of the video, so make sure stay tuned for that. Keep watching. Yeah, and every day this month I am doing 31 days of scrapbooking in December, all Christmas layouts. Some are for albums for Christmas, others are for our Christmas Memories album. And those are layouts that we don't necessarily do, or I don't necessarily do a December daily. We've been married for 38 years, so, you know, our kids are grown. The grandkids come around, but we don't do a whole lot of exciting stuff. We hang out at home mostly. And especially in the time of COVID, there's not a lot for us to do as far as going out and about in our town. So, we just do a December Memories album that we add to a little bit over the years. This year, I think what I've done so far is add like the ornaments and maybe some of the decorations and things that we put up every year that are consistently used over and over again. Or, you know, like stories about ornaments and that kind of thing. So anywho, I will continue to make videos every day, and I would appreciate it if you guys come back every day to watch them. I would love it if you are inspired to flip me a thumbs up. Anywho, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.